Hello, I'm here to shake another table.
Let's have it.
How many of you believe that cracking your joints, that's doing this? Okay, mine is not making the sound, but you know there's this sound it makes when you do it, leads to arthritis. Now, wrong. Cracking your joints does not lead to arthritis. Now, what causes the sound you hear? Usually, when you crack your joints, a space is created which is now filled with air bubbles, and the sound you hear is as a result of these air bubbles busting up. So now it is impossible to get arthritis because of cracking your joints. Table